Hello all, and this is Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and I have the first DeLorean completed. The Back to the Future DeLorean from the first film up to the point right before Doc Brown comes back from the future, because you'll see that I do not have the bioreactor on the back yet, because that'll be on the other one that I'm building. So here it is, the Back to the Future DeLorean from the first film. This was a very interesting build. There was so much detail on it, that more so than I've ever dealt with on any other model before. But it was a challenge, but it was fun to build. It really was. It held my attention, although I had to take a couple of breaks from it. It did hold my attention for the whole build, and I think it came out pretty doggone good. Now there's a lot of faults that I'm not going to show you. but you got to get really close to it to see anything that would be faulty in it, and it's really just paint faults, nothing else. Anyway, this is the completed DeLorean from Back to the Future Film 1. It was a really fun build, and I really kind of like the way it came out. I really do. I think it came out really well. Now, I have the bar that, let me come down here. I have this hook that was used toward the end of film 1 to grab a hold of the wiring, and I have it so that I can take it on and off. So I can put it on. I have to raise my camera a little bit, or pull out a little bit. Let me see here. Whoop, wrong way. Okay, let me just pull out here a little bit. And up. And it's hard to see, but I have the hook so that it can be placed on the DeLorean. And so when Doc Brown brings that cable across, the DeLorean can hook onto it and get enough energy in the time circuits to send him back to the future. So that's that. Let me also raise the camera up here a little bit. Because I can zoom in on the back end. Again, a lot of detail work in this build, but it was fun. It was really a fun build. Let me get this off of here just so it doesn't fall off. Not that it's going to. The reason I had this like this was because I want to be able to put it in my display case, and it won't fit in the display case with the hook on it. So let me just bring this up here so we can show some of the detail that's in the engine shroud. And all of those are individual little parts with a lot of detail painting to it. So again, I'm happy with the way this build came. The wheels are also set so that they will go into the flying position. Let me again lower the camera down a little bit. Okay. And let me flip them into the flying position. There's a slide control here that puts them down into the flying position. So you can see that they are now down in the flying position. And I just think this is a great kit. It really is a great kit. I really enjoyed it. Again, I can't say it enough. I really enjoyed it. I'll tell you what, I have no complaints about this kit whatsoever. Everything fit really, really well. It's just, you have to have a lot of patience because there is so much detail to it. And if I had a complaint about it, it would just be the decals. The decal sheet is well done, but they're very thin. And I tore one of them just trying to get it off the card, you know, that they come on. And that's the only complaint. They're just really thin. Really, really, very thin. But other than that, this was a great build. And I highly recommend this to anybody who's back into this kind of build. It's just a great thing. I can't say anything more about it, really. I appreciate everybody who's been watching, and watch soon because there will be one last part to this series, and it's going to be for the Back to the Future from film 3. You know, when the hood stuff is on it, and I'll have the bioreactor mounted on the back of that one. Okay, so hey, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for your comments. I don't get many comments, but that's okay. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, will you please? And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and you know, the new subscribe button in YouTube will also then allow you to say, I want all of them. I don't post a lot of videos, as you know, maybe every 10-12 days. And so, you know, subscribe and get all my videos. Anyway, this is it for now. And thanks again. It's been a great build. And if you want to see more pictures, you can go to my website at skipsmessyworkbench.com, where I have a photo journal of the build process on this, pretty much. So anyway, hey, thanks again. Thumbs up for me, give me a like, and subscribe if you haven't. And I also want to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate you folks. All right, see you in the next video, and like I said, one more in this series. So see you then, and happy modeling. Bye. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, but you know, I would prefer a thumbs up. And do me a favor, if you really liked it, smack that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release new videos, give that bell a ring and set it to all. I don't release a lot of videos, so I won't be bugging you that much. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.